In the meantime, preliminary estimates show about 10,000 students who were missing from school over the past 2 years will need extra attention to get back on track. Education Minister Favour Williams gave the update at the Standing Finance Committee of Parliament. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
No child should be left behind, a mantra used by the Education Ministry to underscore its commitment to equality in the sector. But the COVID-19 pandemic, no access to electronic devices and internet, plus other socio-economic issues have led to thousands of students being left behind. The ministry estimates that 120,000 students were unable to join online classes. About 40,000 have been re-engaged. To figure out where they are on the learning curve, Portfolio Minister Favour Williams says 70% of students did a diagnostic test. Opposition MP Julian Robinson had concerns.
Of the 70% you get back, is it that most of them are good and they can continue as normal, or the majority need remedial, etc.?
The Chief Education Officer told me that about 10,000, preliminarily about 10,000 are going to require real, intensive hands-on.
So what's the plan to get those students up to speed while catering to the needs of others? Mr. Robinson underscored the importance of managing resources for regular as well as remedial teaching. Minister Williams says $250 million has been budgeted for remedial activities. The strategy includes more training for teachers, online lessons, as well as using math and literacy coaches.
We're also providing extra lessons, homework support for our students to help them in terms of more time on task.
Parents will also be targeted.
We have a target of 97,000 parents that we have to reach by the end of June to assess them and to map them to programs that we want them to be in to help them in terms of their interaction with their children and how to help them to support their children in terms of their education.
In the meantime, when it comes to establishing COVID-19 protocols, all but 6 schools have received a satisfactory mark from the Health Ministry. 5,000 test kits have been distributed.
How many schools have received the testing kits? Approximately?
I don't have the number, but we distributed as widely as we could. Remember, it's 5,000.
Which is why I asked, because that can't go far.
That's what?
That can't go far.
Right, that's why
kids.
we are in the process of securing more. And we're looking at least 100,000.
A tough road ahead for educators, parents, and the Jamaican society as a whole as the nation resumes full face-to-face learning on Monday. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.